Hello, and welcome to the Vietnam Visa Information video. This video is an instructional tool for Canadian citizens and Canadian permanent residents who wish to travel to Vietnam for business or tourism. This video contains information on the basic requirements for a Vietnam visa, the types of visas available, the processing timelines and fees, and how to submit your Vietnam visa application. Canadian citizens and citizens of most other countries must obtain an entry visa before they can travel to Vietnam. The visa is a sticker that is pasted into your passport. If you do not obtain this visa before travel, you will be denied entry at the Vietnam border. So what are the basic requirements for a Vietnam visa? Firstly, the most important document you need for a visa is your passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 1 month after your intended exit from Vietnam. The passport must also have at least one blank page for the visa to be pasted in. Secondly, visa applicants must complete and sign a form which provides their personal details as well as information regarding their trip. This form can be downloaded from the Vietnam Embassy in Ottawa website. Thirdly, applicants must have one passport-style photograph taken. This photo must be on a white background with full face in view. You should go to a professional photographer for the photo. Do not attempt to take it yourself. Fourthly, you must submit payment for your visa in the form of a certified check or a money order. The embassy does not accept cash. Finally, you must submit a travel itinerary detailing when you will enter and when you will exit Vietnam. This can be a flight ticket, a cruise itinerary, or any other official travel booking. What are the different types of visas available to Vietnam? The two most common types of visas to Vietnam are for tourism and business. Tourist visas are used by people who only wish to visit Vietnam for tourism purposes, such as sightseeing or if you are with a tour group. Business visas are for those attending conferences, meetings, or conducting other business while in Vietnam. A very important note: if you're applying for a business visa, you must provide a business letter from the sponsoring company indicating the nature of your trip with your visa application. Visas are issued on a single, double, or multiple entry basis. The type of visa you will need depends on your travel plans. If you plan on leaving Vietnam and returning back after visiting another country, you will need at least a double entry visa. What are the processing timelines and fees associated with a Vietnam visa? Visa fees depend on how quickly you need the visa to be issued and on how many entries you require. Visas can be issued on a regular basis in 7 to 10 business days. If you need the visa sooner than that, it can be issued on an expedited basis within 2 business days. You will pay additional fees if you need this service. Visa prices tend to fluctuate, so we recommend contacting the Vietnamese embassy for an up-to-date pricing guide. How do I submit an application for a Vietnam visa? You have 3 options to submit a visa application. First, you can go in person to the embassy in Ottawa with all your required documents. At this time, Ottawa is the only city in Canada where the Vietnamese government has representation. Second, you can have your application delivered to the embassy using a courier company. In this case, you must provide a prepaid FedEx envelope with your application so the embassy can return your passport. Third, you can use a third party to submit it for you, such as a travel agent or a visa company. In this case, the third party will take care of the submission for you. We hope this video has been informative and will help you obtain your visa to Vietnam. We wish you the best of luck.